All right, here we go. Starting the hike. All right, I'm about 40 minutes in. Almost 800 feet elevation gain. Yeah, I'm a little over halfway there. I'm starting to feel the wind. It's really fucking cold. It takes my breath away, literally. I need to put my jacket on. But yeah, halfway there. Woo! I'm gonna just chill here on this rock. I have an hour until sunrise, and it's been like 50 minutes, and I'm more than halfway through. So, yeah, I'm gonna kill some time, maybe like 15 minutes, and I'll start heading up so I can be up there when sunrise hits.